Good morning, everybody. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend. I know I did. Let's see what I did this weekend. I started a new book, which is awesome. I went for a hike with my dogs, and I had an amazing dinner with my family. That sounds like a great weekend to me. Anyone else have anything to share about their weekend? Amaya? Amaya went and saw Trolls 2. How awesome. I'm so looking forward to seeing that movie myself. Anyone else? Ethan. Oh, Ethan played basketball. That is amazing. I love basketball, and it was such a great weekend to get outside. So that sounds awesome to me. Now that we are feeling refreshed and re-energized after an amazing weekend at home, we are going to start a new unit that I'm so excited to start with you guys. I've been looking forward to starting this all year. So we are going to be starting a new unit, but I'm going to keep it a secret as to what it is. We're going to kind of figure it out ourselves. We're going to investigate it, watching a short clip. And I want you guys to take out your notebooks, and you're just going to jot down what you're observing and what you think might be happening. Sound good? Awesome. Take out those notebooks, and I'm going to get the clip started. All right. So who is ready to share some of their observations? Yeah, Mackenzie. Okay, so Mackenzie's saying that it looks like the Earth. I think that's a fair observation. Does anyone have anything to add on and a new perspective to share? Ben. Oh, okay. So Ben is saying that it looks like the ice is melting. So we all saw that white stuff, we all agree that that is ice. And we all agree that the whole thing is the Earth, like Mackenzie said. Okay, yeah. So the ice is melting on the Earth. And why might that be happening? I wonder. Anyone can add? Tess. Oh, did everybody hear that? I really like that, what Tess just said. Tess thinks that the ice is melting because the Earth is getting warmer. So we use Mackenzie's observation of it being Earth, Ben's observation of it being ice, and now Tess is adding on to say that it is melting because the Earth is getting warmer. Huh. That sounds like a really interesting observation, and I wonder why that might be happening. And I wonder what it's affecting. All right, we're going to watch another clip, and we're going to kind of investigate this further. Ready? Okay, so what was happening in this video? Yeah, Casey? Okay, so Casey says that the polar bears in this video look sad. Can we all agree that the polar bears looked sad? I agree. Everyone agrees, and there was such sad music playing. So yeah, it definitely would make sense that they're sad. But why are they sad? Can somebody offer a new perspective? Cam? Okay, so Cam is saying that they are sad because what we saw in the video was their habitat being destroyed. I like that. Yeah, that's definitely a reason to be sad. If you guys' homes were destroyed, wouldn't you be sad? Everything you have, all of it just gone? Yeah. So, do we think that this video is connected to the first video we watched? Okay, we all agree, yes. But why? Go ahead, Kim. Okay, so Cam is saying that the ice melting in the first video happened in the second video, and that's how their environment is being destroyed. Their environment's being destroyed by the ice melting and by the Earth warming up. Okay. All right, so what is happening is often called climate change or global warming. These are two new words. So we have climate change and global warming. Two new words. They may may not be new for some of you. I'm sure you've heard of them before. But basically, based off of the name, what do we think that these words might mean? Climate change. What do you think that might mean? Yeah, that sounds pretty fair, that the climate is changing. How so? We can look at global warming. What might this word indicate to us? Exactly like what Tess said earlier, that the earth is warming up. So this happens for a few reasons, but we're just going to focus on one. So it is caused, global warming is caused by what is called the greenhouse effect, or greenhouse gases. So these gases get trapped in the atmosphere, and in effect, the earth warms up. Ding, ding, ding. What kind of statement did I just make? Everybody should know this. Shout it out. Yes, a cause and effect statement, something we've been talking about for so long this year. So that is the main cause of climate change, is the greenhouse effect, and it affects us by the earth warming up. Okay, so people like you and I have a hand in this, actually. So for example, when we ride in the car, this contributes to the production of greenhouse gases. We produce CO2, which gets trapped in the atmosphere, and the earth warms up. So every day we do little things that cause climate change and global warming. And people are really concerned with this because of things like we saw with the polar bear video. We see that the polar bear's habitat's being destroyed, and that worries people because it's a living thing being extremely affected by this, right? We were concerned by the video. We were all sad by what was happening to the polar bears. So people of all ages are taking a stand, and these people are called activists. That's a new word we can add to our list here. So these people are called activists. So basically, activists are people that use their voice to inspire change. They speak out against things that they truly, truly believe in. And we're going to look at an example of one of those people today. And we're going to read a book about her. She is young just like you, and we're going to read this book first, and then we're going to go over who she is, what she does, and